National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia, southeastern Genoa County in central West Virginia, northwestern Raleigh County in southeastern West Virginia, northeastern Logan County in southern West Virginia, northeastern Wyoming County in southern West Virginia, southwestern Clay County in north central West Virginia, Fayette County in southeastern West Virginia, Boone County in central West Virginia, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Cedar Grove to 7 miles west of Burnwell to 7 miles west of Van, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Locations impacted include Beckley, Somersville, Fayetteville, Babcock State Park, Oak Hill, Montgomery, Chesapeake, Marmot, Mount Hope, Lipscott, Ansted, Sophia, Bell, Cedar Grove, East Bank, Glasgow, Smithers, Gully Bridge, Pratt and Van. This includes the following highways: West Virginia Turnpike between mile markers 41 and 89. Route 19 between mile markers 1 and 44.
Thank you.